DIY operation, do it yourself, repairs loading.
So, like I said, I'm just looking for something to repair some of the things that I need to do. You know, these are for lamps converter. How are you guys doing? How are you all doing? Hope you are good. Hope you are kicking fine. So let's go to this lights area. See what we can. I like this kind of bulbs. Really nice. Really nice. Oh, this my jacket is it's quite bulky jacket I'm wearing today. Okay, let's see whether we can get different ones. The other side. Guys, I'm gonna make this video very short. Just want you guys to. So I like this kind of this plant that I want to put somewhere in my house. Are they real? Oh, they're real plants. They seems to be real. These are real plants though. Okie dokie. Follow me. Let's go shopping. This one is not food shopping, no. This one is not food shopping at all. No food shopping here. It's not food shopping. Oh, look at this barbecue things. This one very nice. Quite big though. Quite big. Quite big. Look at that one as well. Quite big. Quite big. Look at this one. So this is not food shopping, guys. Not food shopping at all. So let me see what I can get here. What we can get here. Oh my goodness. Look at this thing they used to. Tools made easy here. Made easy tools for your repairs. Alright guys, I'm gonna continue with the shopping. I'm gonna continue with the shopping. This is B&Q, by the way. B&Q. The shop is called B&Q. Not advertising for them, but sometimes when you need most of the look, they've got shovels here. It needs all kinds of shovels. Anyone you need, you can get them here. Any tool you need for your farming, for your digging, farming, cutting, is here. Is here. Anyone you need for, is here. You can get all of them here, all that. It's quite a massive shop. Massive. You can get anything you need. Okay? With this hammer, look. And this is hammer. Some kind of hammer. They have different ones though. You know, do it yourself. You come here. If you want to do it yourself, you come here. Do it yourself. When you want to do it yourself, you come here. They have shovels, you know. You want to till the land, if you want to dig a hole, if you want to, you know, so you come here. Look what they've got here. Look at what they've got here. You want to do it yourself, you come here. Look at those shovels. You can use it to, look, they have different ones. Look at, you know, different ones they've got, you know, all shades, all types, you know. Yeah, for your farming, made easy. Farming made easy. All right, guys, see you. Bye.